Hello everyone. Previously we talked about the Icken Barker mountain. Now we'll go to its sister engine, the Icken Barker Mikado, Southern Pacific. Again, the chassis was done by Fred Icken of Icken Barker, 1930 to 31. They bought the chassis, and then the new owner built the boiler on top of it. Outside third rail, manual reverse. The tender he made out of wood. And here we'll take this one. The mountain had double gear reduction. This one has triple gear reduction, which I've not seen before. It's quite a unique. Back. And we go forward. Runs quite smoothly. But again, the back-to-back and flanges are too deep for switch frogs, so we can only go between the switches. Thank you very much.